online series of math classes. We are currently doing the topic differentiation. In the topic differentiation, we have learned chain rule, derivatives of implicit functions, derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions, logarithmic functions, differentiation of exponential functions, differentiation of logarithmic functions, etc. Now today we are going to learn the topic parametric differentiation. What is a parametric differentiation? Now, you have studied the relation between x and y. We have learned the relation between x and y as y equal to f of x. We have learned the relation as y equal to f of x, where y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. This is one type of function. Another function we saw is implicit function. Implicit function is a function in which the equation contains both x and y. The function contains both x and y, where y is the function of x. Now today we are learning the parametric differentiation. So what is a parametric equation? Now in this type, both x and y are expressed in terms of another variable, either t or theta. So here x and y are both expressed in terms of the third variable, either theta or t. So here both x and y are expressed in terms of third variable, either t or theta, and the third variable is called as the parameter. It is called nothing but the parameter, called as parameter. So this is what you need to know. So the third variable is called as the parameter. So officially we say that if x equal to f of t and y equal to f of t, means x is also a function of t and y is also a function of t. Here both x and y can be expressed as the function of third parameter t. Or you can have, if x equal to f of theta, y equal to f of theta. If x is expressed in terms of theta and y is also expressed in terms of theta, here theta forms the parameter. So this is the parametric equation. How to find its derivative? Here dy by dx, derivative dy by dx is nothing but dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So this is the derivative here. Here dy by dx is nothing but dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Here dy by dt is nothing but differentiating y with respect to t, and dx by dt means differentiating this with respect to t. If x equal to f of theta, y equal to f of theta, then dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So this is the formula you need to remember. If x is the function of t, then dy by dx is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Here if x equal to f of theta, y equal to f of theta, then dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So these things you need to know. These two formulas you need to remember, depending on if t is the parameter and theta is the parameter. So pause the video and note it down. We'll do exercise 5.6. First question: x equal to 2at square, y equal to 8e to the power 4. Here this is a parametric equation. Why? Because both x and y are in terms of a third variable, t. Here the third variable is t. So t is nothing but the parameter. T is nothing but the parameter. Now, how to solve this? You know, if t is the parameter, t is the third variable, then dy by dx is nothing but dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So first we have to find dy by dt. So what is dy by dt? Dy by dt means we are differentiating y with respect to t. So dy by dt is nothing but d by dt of a t to the power 4. Now how to differentiate this? D by dt of a into t to the power 4. So here a is constant. A is constant. We take this out into d by dt to the power 4. T to the power 4. Now how to differentiate this? We have d by dx of x power 4 is nothing but 4 into x to the power 4 minus 1. So this is equal to 4 into x cubed. Now t power 4. T and t are similar. T and t are similar. So this becomes d by dx of x power 4 is 4x cubed. T and t are similar. If they are similar, we can differentiate. So this becomes a into 4 t to the power 3. 4 into, so it is nothing but 4a t cube. So this is the answer. So here what we have to know, t and t should be similar variables. So it is 4a t cube. Next, dx by dt. Next, find dx by dt. What is dx by dt? D by dt of x. What is x? 2a t square. So it is nothing but 2a, you take common, 2a d by dt of t square. What is differentiation of x square? Differentiation of x square is 2x. Here t and t are similar variables. So d by dt of t square is nothing but 2t. So it is 2a into 2t. So it is nothing but 4a. So this is dy by dt. This is dx by dt. Now what is dy by dx? dy by dx is nothing but dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So which is equal to, what is dy by dt? dy by dt is nothing but 4at cube, 4at cube divided by dx by dt is nothing but 4at. 4at. So cancel t, 1 t will cancel. So therefore dy by dx, it is nothing but t square. So this is the answer. I hope you understood how to do. First we have to find dy by dt divided by dx by dt. dy by dt is nothing but d by dt of y. Here a t to the power 4, a into d by dt of t power 4. Here both variables are similar. So you can apply the formula. When you apply the formula, you get this. Here also same way. Then substitute the values, find the answer. Pause the video and note it down. Next, exercise 5.6, we'll do the third question. X equal to sin t, y equal to cos 2t. Now how to do this? Here x is sin t, x depends on t, y is cos 2t, y also depends on t. Here this forms a parametric equation where t is nothing but the parameter. T is the parameter, the third variable. Now how to differentiate this? So if t is the third parameter, you know the formula, dy by dx is nothing but dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So first find dy by dt. What is dy by dt? Dy by dt is nothing but d by dt of y. Y is nothing but cos 2t, which is equal to, now what is differentiation of cos 2t? Differentiation of cos ax is minus sin ax into a. So this is minus sin 2t into 2. The main thing to remember, t and t variables should be similar. Then we can differentiate. D by dx of a function of x is given by the formula. So here d by dt of t and t, the variables are similar. So if the variables are similar, we can have the formula. Next, d by dx by dt is nothing but d by dt of x. What is x? Sin t. T and t variables are similar, so differentiation of sin x, d by dx of sin x is cos x. So d by dt of sin t is nothing but cos t. So now we have dy by dx is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. What is dy by dt? Minus 2 sin 2t divided by dx by dt is nothing but cos t. Next, sin 2t can be written as 2 sin t cos t, because sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So it is minus 2 into 2 sin t cos t divided by cos t. Cos t and cos t will cancel, so it is minus 4 sin t. So this is the answer. Pause the video and note it down. We'll do the next question. Exercise 5.6, second question. X equal to a cos theta, y equal to b cos theta. Here, like the previous one, x and y both dependent on t. Now here, both x and y are dependent on theta. So x depends on theta, y depends on theta. So here, theta is the parameter, theta is nothing but the third variable. So what is dy by dx? dy by dx, you know the formula. It is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So we have to find dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. We have to find this. We have to find it. So first find dy by d theta. What is dy by d theta? It is d by d theta of y. Y is nothing but b cos theta. So b is constant. Take this out. What is differentiation? Theta and theta are similar variable. D by dx of cos x is nothing but d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. So d by d theta of cos theta is minus sin theta. Now next we have to find dx by d theta. Dx by d theta is nothing but d by d theta of x. What is x? A cos theta. Here theta and theta variables are similar. So a is a constant. Take it out. Difference of cos theta is minus sin theta. Now we have substitute dy by d theta is nothing but minus b sin theta divided by dx by d theta is minus a sin theta. Sin theta and sin theta minus minus will cancel. So dy by dx is nothing but b by a. So this is the answer. Fifth question we have x equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Y is nothing but sin theta minus sin 2 theta. So now how to differentiate this? Here y x depends on theta, y depends on theta. So theta is nothing but the parameter. So you already know dy by dx is nothing but dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Same like the previous problem. Now first find dy by d theta. What is dy by d theta? So it is d by d theta of sin theta minus sin 2 theta. Now this is the difference. So differentiation of this minus differentiation of this. First we will differentiate this. Theta and theta similar variables, so we can differentiate. Differentiation of sin theta is nothing but cos theta minus differentiation of sin 2 theta. Differentiation of sin x. D by dx of sin x is cos x into a. So it is cos 2 theta into 2. Next to find dx by d theta. What is dx by d theta? D by d theta of cos theta minus cos 2 theta. D by d theta of cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Theta and theta are similar variables. Differentiation of this minus differentiation of this. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta minus differentiation of cos 2 theta. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x into a. So it is minus sin 2 theta into 2. So this forms minus sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. Now what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is nothing but dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. What is dy by d theta? Dy by d theta is cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta divided by dx by d theta is nothing but minus sin theta plus 2 sin 2. So this is the answer. Pause the video and note it down. Next we will do exercise 6.6. Sixth question. X equal to a theta minus sin theta, y equal to a 1 plus cos theta. We have to show that dy by dx is nothing but minus cot theta by 2. Now this is x is in terms of theta, y also is in terms of theta. Both x and y are in terms of theta. Here theta forms a parameter. Theta is nothing but the third variable. Then what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is nothing but dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So first you have to find dy by d theta. What d by d theta of y? What is y? A into 1 plus cos theta. Now a is a constant. Take it out. Theta and theta are similar, so we can differentiate. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. So this is dy by d theta. Next we have to find dx by d theta. What is dx by d theta? D by d theta of x. What is x here? A into theta minus sin theta. So a is constant. Take it out. Now differentiation of theta minus sin theta. So what is this? Differentiation of this minus differentiation of this. First is d by d theta of theta. So d by dx of x is 1. Here theta and theta similar variables, so the value is 1 minus. Now differentiation of d by d theta of sin theta is d by dx of sin x is cos x, so d it is minus cos theta. So this is the answer. Now dy by dx is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Substitute dy by d theta, it is minus a sin theta divided by a into 1 minus cos theta. So a and a will cancel. So dy by dx equal to minus. Now sin theta. We have to get the cot theta by 2. How to get cot theta by 2? We have to simplify this. Now look here. Sin theta is there. Can we simplify this in terms of any trigonometric formula? You know, sin 2 theta, it is nothing but 2 sin theta cos theta, right? Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Now, we'll use the half angle formula. Means we'll divide this angle by 2. So, divide this angle by 2. Sin 2 theta divided by 2 equal to sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. We'll divide the angle. So 2 and 2 will cancel. So what we get? Sin theta, it is nothing but 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. It is nothing but this is the formula sin 2 theta. We divide the angle by 2. We get this formula. So sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So write this as minus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 divided by. Now how to write 1 minus cos theta? Now you remember the formula cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now divide the angle by 2. Divide the angle by 2. So cos 2 theta divided by 2 equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Now you got this. Shift this to the other side. This and this will cancel. Shift this to the other side. So what you get? 2 sin square theta by 2 equal to 1 minus cos theta. 2 and 2 will cancel. So 2 sin square theta by 2 is nothing but 1 minus cos theta. So this is a ready formula. You have to remember 1 minus cos theta is nothing but 2 sin square theta by 2. There is one more formula. 1 plus cos theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta by 2. So these two formulas you need to remember. This formula, this formula and this formula. So these three formulas, these are nothing but half angle formulas. These three formulas you have to remember. This will come in handy anytime, especially in differentiation, inverse trigonometric functions and many other things. So now 2 sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos theta. Substitute. So it is 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel. 1 sin and 1 sin will cancel. So what? Minus cos theta by 2 divided by sin theta by 2. Cos by sin is nothing but cos. So it is minus cot theta by 2. So this is the answer. Dy by. So this is the answer. Pause the video and note it down. And also remember 1, 2, 3 formulas. These 3 formulas you have to know. So pause the video and note it down. Next we have 10th question. X equal to a cos theta plus theta sin theta. Y equal to a sin theta minus theta cos theta. Now we have to get dy by dx equal to tan theta. So first find dy by d theta. Here x is in terms of theta, y is in terms of theta. So you know what is dy by dx. Dy by dx is nothing but dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So first find dy by d theta. Now dy by d theta is d by d theta y. What is y? Y is nothing but a sin theta minus theta cos theta. Now how to differentiate this? A is a constant, take it out. Here the variable theta and theta are similar. So differentiation of sin theta is nothing but the cos theta minus. Now how to differentiate this? This is nothing but a product, right? This is nothing but a product. So we have to apply UV rule. What is UV rule? UV dash is nothing but U into V dash plus V into U dash. So first function into differentiation of second function plus second function into differentiation of first function. So now differentiate. So what you will have here? First function is theta into differentiation of second function. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta plus second function is cos theta into differentiation of first function d by d theta of theta. D by d theta of theta is nothing but 1 into 1. So this is nothing but a into cos theta minus, here minus and minus will become plus theta sin theta plus minus into plus is minus cos theta. So cos theta and cos theta will cancel. So dy by d theta is nothing but a into theta sine theta. So this is dy by d theta. Next find dx by d theta. What is dx by d theta? D by d theta of x. What is x? A into cos theta plus theta sine theta. Now dx by d theta is d by d theta of a into cos theta plus theta sine theta. Now differentiation of cos theta. Now e is constant, take it out. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sine theta plus. Now here theta sine theta. It is nothing but the UV rule. So first function into differentiation of second function. So it is theta into differentiation of sine theta. Differentiation of sine theta is cos theta plus second function sine theta into differentiation of first function. D by d theta of theta is 1. So into 1. So it is a into minus sine theta plus theta cos theta plus sine theta. Sine theta and sine theta will cancel. What you get? A into theta cos theta. So this is dy by d theta. This is dx by d theta. Dx by d theta. Now what is dy by dx? Dy by dx. It is nothing but dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So dy by d theta. What is dy by d theta? A into theta sine theta. Dy by dx by d theta is a into theta cos theta. A and theta will cancel. Sine theta by cos theta is nothing but tan theta. So dy by dx is nothing but tan theta. This is what we wanted. This is what we wanted. So pause the video and note it down. Next 8th question, rather important question. X equal to a cos t plus log tan t by 2. Y equal to a sin t. Here both x and y are in terms of t. So the parameter of the third variable is t. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is nothing but dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Now here first we have to find dy by dt. So what is dy by dt? So it is nothing but d by dt of a sin t. So a t and t are similar variables. So differentiation of sine is nothing but cos t. So a into cos t. So in the sums for finding dy by dt is 1 mark. We have to find dx by dt. So find dx by dt. Dx by dt. So dx by dt is nothing but d by dt of x. What is x? A into cos t plus log tan of t by 2. So this is a is constant. Take it out. A. Differentiation of cos t. What is differentiation of cos t? Differentiation of t and t are similar variables. So differentiation of cos t is minus sin t plus. Now differentiation of log tan t by 2. There are how many functions now? This is a composite function. This is the first function. This is the second function. This is the third function. Now how to differentiate? Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So it is, instead of x there is tan t by 2. So it is 1 by tan t by 2. Next we have to differentiate tan t by 2. What is differentiation of tan x? Differentiation of tan x is secant square x. Instead of x there is t by 2. Secant square t by 2. Next we have to differentiate t by 2. What is differentiation of t by 2? 1 by t. You take common out. Differentiation of t is 1. So see d by dt of t by 2. So it is nothing but half is common. Take it out. D by dt of t. So it is half into 1. D by dx of x is 1. So d by dt of t is 1. So it is half. So this is the value. Now simplify this. So it is a into minus sin t plus 1 by tan t by 2 can be written as sin t by 2 divided by cos t by 2. Secant square t by 2 can be written as 1 by cos square t by 2 into half. Now cos and cos will cancel. So what is there here? 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. This looks like which formula? I have told you in the earlier one, sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin 2t is nothing but 2 sin t cos t. You divide the angle by 2. Divide the angle by 2. So what you get? Sin t equal to 2 sin t t by 2 cos t by 2. So 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 is nothing but sin t. So substitute here. So this is nothing but sin t. So it is a into minus sin t plus 1 by sin t. Now how to simplify this? Take LCM. So this is a sin t. Sin, take LCM here, multiply, cross multiply. So minus sin square t plus 1. So this is dx by dt. So therefore dx by dt is nothing but a into 1 minus sin square t divided by sin t. What is 1 minus sin square t? 1 minus sin square t is nothing but cos square t. So dx by dt is nothing but 1 minus sin square t is nothing but cos square t. Cos square t by sin t. See, we have cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So this is how you get this formula. So this is dx by dt. So we got this. Next we want dy by dx. What is dy by dx? It is nothing but dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So dy by dt. What is dy by dt? Dy by dt is nothing but a cos t. Here a is there. So dy by dt is nothing but a cos square t by sin t. So it is a cos square t by sin t. So a and a will cancel. One cos and one cos will cancel. So this will go up. So it is sin t by cos t. So dy by dx, it is nothing but sin t by cos t. So when you take reciprocal, it goes up. Sin t by cos t, it is nothing but tan t. So this is what we wanted. Rather important question. Pause the video and take note. Hence, we come to the end of the video on parametric differentiation. Hope you have understood. Thank you.